Ayun, ito yung na-miss ko, no? Paalaala sa ating mga taxpayers. Ito po yung mga deadlines natin for the coming week. December 10, Wednesday, submission po ng list of buyers of sugar together with a copy of certificate of advance payment of VAT made by each buyer appearing in the list by a sugar cooperative. Ito po ay for the month of November 2025. Kasama din po dyan, information return of on releases of refined sugar by the proprietor or operator of a sugar refinery or mill. Month of November din ito, kapartner Randy. Also, yung filing din ng ating DST. Ito yung collected and remitted by the government agency for the month of November 2025. Next deadline is December 11. December 11, ito po ay Thursday. So, filing po ng ating BIR Form 1601C, monthly remittance return of income taxes withheld on compensation. And also, yung BIR Form 0619, actually ito, deadline natin is 10. So, meron po mga category, let's say yung po mga nasa yung gumagamit po ng EFTS, meron po silang kanya-kanyang group. So, for Group E, hanggang December 11. So, ako ang advice ko lang, dinidisregard ko yung yung groupings na yan eh. So, dun pa rin ako dun sa traditional para ma-avoid yung penalty. Penalty naman tayo lagi kapartner Randy, iiwasan natin yung penalty And then December 12, ito rin po yung 1601C for Group D naman. So 1601C monthly remittance return for income on compensation, yung how much po yung na-withheld ni taxpayer sa kanyang mga empleyado. And then December 13, ito Saturday, e-filing din for Group C naman.